To service the thermostatic valve on the unit, start by removing the cover. The thermostatic valve cartridge and its spring can then be removed. Clean and inspect the valve cartridge and the housing for damage. If the valve is clean and in good order, it can be reinstalled. If damaged parts are found, replace accordingly. Reinstall the spring first, then the cartridge with the plunger facing towards the cover, then the cover with a new O-ring. Please refer to the unit's instruction manual for additional information. Questions? Please contact us at 800-732-6762 or acce.customerservice@us.atlascopco.com. You can also use our Power Connect app for more helpful information.